So guys, for the first step, you want to get into the BIOS of your computer. To get here, make sure that your computer is turned off, then you want to turn it on, then you want to spam your BIOS button. For me, it's going to be F1. I'm using a Lenovo ThinkPad. In your case, if you're using like Dell, Acer, or if you're using like a Gigabyte motherboard or something else, the button may be different. It may be like escape, delete, enter, F2, something like that. You want to check your manual to see what button that you need to press. And then once you find out the button that you need to press, when your computer is turned off, now you want to turn it on. And now as it's turning on, you just want to spam that button that you found in your manual that you need to press. You could also find it online. So in my case, I'm just going to be pressing F1. I'm going to keep on pressing it. It's now taking me into the BIOS. Now, if you're not using a Lenovo ThinkPad like me, and if you're using a different computer, your BIOS is most likely going to look very different to mine. However, it's still pretty much going to be the same steps. And then once you're on a BIOS, you want to go to the security tab. In your case, it might say something else, but it's going to be pretty similar. So you just want to go to the tab that says security. Again, it might say something else in your BIOS, but it's going to be something along the lines of security. And then once you're on this tab, you should be getting something called like security chip or like TPM, or maybe something else, something along the lines of this. Once you find it, you just want to go down, and then you want to click on that. And now in my case, it says security chip selection. In your case, it's going to be saying something to do with TPM, like TPM 1.2, 2.0, anything to do with TPM. But now once you're on this page, it should now let you enable TPM. So in my case, I'm going to click on enter right here. And now I want to enable discrete TPM. In your case, it might say one of these options, or it might be saying TPM 2.0 or 1.2. You want to select the option that you want. And now you just want to exit out of your BIOS. It's going to be different for everyone, but in my case, in my BIOS, I'm going to click on F10 on my keyboard. And then click on enter again. In your case, there may be another tab at the top that will say save and exit. You just want to go to that. And then that's how you do it.